Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope all's good wherever you are. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my apartment here in Bangkok. A lot of you guys have been asking about it and want to know the comparisons between Bangkok and Chiang Mai. So I figured I would do a little video about my apartment here in Bangkok, tell you about the area where I live in, and just show you the amenities of the condo. So we're going to do that first. I'll show you around the condo, the pool, the working areas, all that stuff. Then I'll show you the apartment, and then I'll tell you guys about the price and stuff like that if you're interested in all that stuff. So let's get right at it. Now I live right on the main road in Bangkok, next to Onnut BTS, in a building called Q House. It's on Sukhumvit 79. Alright, so like most condos in Bangkok, you need a key card to scan. Literally, you gotta scan yourself into anything and in and out of the building. Like, you are not getting in here. This place is a fortress. So this is the lobby. You can come down here. You can use the Wi-Fi down here, meet guests. As you can see, it's really popular. Here you got some elevators, and there's a cleaning service in the building right there, and that's also where you can go and use the refill station for the water. Now this is the pool. The pool's on the 5th floor of the building, and it's kind of a good spot actually. There's lots of shade, and it doesn't get overly hot on this side of the building. The Thais don't really like the heat. As you can see, they don't really swim in the daytime. If there's anybody using this pool in the day, it's generally a Westerner or a tourist or something like that. So in the evening they'll use it, earlier in the morning, but they don't tend to swim in the sun. Right here you got a pool for the kids. But this pool is really nice. The water, I don't really like super cold water, but I don't want my water to be like warm either in a pool. I kind of like to get in and wake up in the morning. So this pool here is pretty perfect for that, to be honest. I don't use it as much as I would like to. I tend to wake up and then I work, and then the day kind of just gets ahead of me. It is sweet to have a pool. When you have guests over and stuff, you can go down here. You can enjoy a good time. You can come down here, have some drinks, have a bit of food. Good thing about Q House, everything in here, you see the elevators, the lobby, they take care of the place. It's more than I can say for a lot of the buildings that I looked at. This place here, all of the Q houses, every one of them that I went to look at, perfectly clean. Now this is the working space up here. You can come use that. It gets pretty warm up here. They have AC, but it's not normally on just because there's nobody up here and they leave the windows up, so I don't really use it too much. But if you're somebody who's going to come down and use it, they do have fans. You can shut the door, you can turn the AC off, but it's a big room. I mean, you can turn the AC on, but it's a big room and it would take a long time to get cool, so not too many people use it. And here's the gym. You gotta scan yourself in. Scan yourself in anywhere. Even the elevators, your scan pass only goes to your floor, and you gotta scan yourself in. If you have a guest, you gotta go down with them and let them out. This is the gym. So the gym I use a lot, and I don't use the weights much, but this is where I come to do my cardio and abs in the evening or in the morning. I like to split up my cardio and my weights, so I tend to come in here early in the morning when it's cool. The gym does have AC in the condo, so it's not a problem. You can turn that on. And the weights, there's a few benches here. Look, it's not much, but in a pinch you can get a good workout here. The dumbbells go up to 70 pounds, so there's a lot you can do here. The benches are movable. The only thing is there's no like chin-up bar or anything of the sorts. You know, you can't. There's no squat rack. But in a jam, you can do some lunges. You can get a great workout here. Say it was really raining outside or you're busy. Great gym for that purpose. And here's the yoga room that I have not used once. And here's the washrooms. As you can see, super clean. Like, everything here is clean. These are lockers. You can bring your stuff up if you're going to use the gym. You grab a key, you lock it. And there's 2 saunas. There's a steam sauna and a dry sauna, the one with the rocks. I don't use the steam one, but I do really enjoy using the dry sauna. And this is the men's washroom. The women's washroom, I'm assuming, I've never been in it, I'm assuming would have the same exact thing, the 2 saunas in there. This one is really nice, works really well. This is the rooftop. This is my favorite spot. I use the cardio the most, but I like the rooftop. I come out here in the mornings or in the evening, and it's beautiful. Like, the view is great up here. There's some nice greenage, and I can just come out here, get a bit of peace of mind, enjoy the view, just take everything in. Bangkok is such a beautiful city that every time I come up here and just look at it, I just kind of feel blessed of just being here, really. And this might be silly, but it's a nice little luxury for me to actually bring the mail to your floor. So that's actually really cool. I don't have to go downstairs to get it, just outside my house. All right, so let's go inside. I'm gonna show you the apartment, but this is a funny thing. You know, you would normally knock at somebody's door, and I don't know how it is where you guys live, but doorbell. So here's the room. Not much to it, 31 square meters. So not too big. It's the smallest rooms in the building. But for anybody who's followed me for a long time, you know that I'm kind of minimalist by nature. So I kind of like the small apartments. I don't spend too much time in the house. So this is great for me. This is where I do my work, my editing, and a couch. TV comes, a smart TV comes with cable and everything. The internet you have to pay for. You have to pay for your own internet, and you pay your own electric. The cooker works really well. It's an infrared cooker, so there's 2 burners on there. So I do most of the cooking. I actually filmed some recipes today that'll be up in a day or 2, hopefully. I got to get those edited. The blender where I do my shakes in the morning. And here's the bedroom. We got a nice comfy queen size bed. And outside, that's just the laundry room. So we got the washing machine there. I got my little clothes hangers, and that's the pool. I got the pool view. Not that I care too much, but this is the side of the building that you want to be on. It gets no sun, so your room doesn't get hot. Like you'll get the sun in the early morning. So in the afternoon, the sun's on the other side. So if you're gonna ever come here or stay here, make sure you get this side of the building. All right, so what's the cost of living here at Q House? For a room this size, it's 32 square meters, and there's 2 sizes of 1 bedroom here, and this one is the smaller one. There's a bigger one, and then there's a 2-bedroom, and I think in this building there's a family room. I know some of the Q House buildings have the family rooms, which are 3 bedrooms. Not 100% sure if this place has it, but I think so. But anyways, this place here, my room, I can only speak for my room because I don't know the price of the other ones, but my room is 14,000 to 17,000 baht a month. Depending on your bargaining skills, that's kind of what you're going to pay here at Q House. Again, it'll depend on what time of the year you decide to move in, and again, how good you can bargain, who you're renting from. That'll all matter. But that's kind of the price. 14,000 to 17,000 baht. You can get this exact unit here in Bangkok. Now, if I'm going to make a separate video about Onnut, because I love this area. Like, I absolutely love this area, and I absolutely love Bangkok. It's my favorite city in the world. I regret not having moved here before. So I'm going to make a separate video about this area. So if you have any questions about the locations and stuff around here, don't worry about it. Your boy's got you covered. Give me a couple of days and there will be a video out about Onnut and this area and why you should live around here. But if you are going to check this area, you don't have to pay this much money for rent. It's like any other city. Bangkok's no different. You pay for location. The closer you are to downtown, which this place is really close, and the closer you are to a BTS or MRT station makes a massive difference. So I'm about 1 minute out. Like, I get out of the fortress here, I get out of Fort Knox, and you know, I turn left and I'm a minute walk, less than a minute walk, and I'm on the train, like I'm on the BTS. So you pay for that. You could live further out into the soys, like, and have a 15-minute walk to the BTS, and you will pay less. Now, here's where that's the issue. You sometimes might have to rent a motorbike if you're a 20-minute walk away. You won't want to walk 20 minutes. You can get a motorbike taxi. They're everywhere. It's 20 baht generally from anywhere into the soys to the BTS station. They charge you 20 baht, which is not much. But here's the kicker. It rains in Bangkok. Like, it rains at some point a lot. So if you're a 15, 20-minute walk out, then you have to take an actual cab. Or if you have an umbrella, it ain't going to help you. Because the rain here is like tropical, like non-stop hard. So it might rain just a little bit, but sometimes you get these big rains, and no matter if you have your umbrella or not, your legs are soaked, and the roads are all like clogged up and flooded. So the closer you are to the BTS station, I say it's worth the extra money. Plus, if you have your own bike and you're driving around Bangkok, it's not that bad. People have say it's bad driving in Bangkok. It's not that dangerous. It's fine. The Thais are really good drivers. They're used to this. Don't worry about it. It's not. Most of the deaths on the road in Thailand are not necessarily in Bangkok. They're out in the country where people are drinking and driving at night and just falling into the ditch. But here, if you're on a motorbike for 10, 15 minutes, it is so hot. By the time you get to where you're going, if you have your backpack on like I do when you're going to work, you're soaked, you're just grimy and disgusting. So it's just uncomfortable to work. And I like taking the SkyTrain. I get on there, I'm in the AC, I get off. There's always a mall like right at most of the SkyTrain station or BTS station, they're attached to like a mall or something of the sorts. So, you know, I go in there, I have a coffee. I'm not far from generally meeting a friend or just going to a co-working space. I prefer it that way. So that makes a big difference in the price of living in Bangkok. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I'm going to make a separate video. I don't want to be too long-winded here about the area, about Onnut and everything that's around here. So go watch my bodybuilding webinar. I'm going to keep telling you guys every day until everybody watches it. So bodybuildingvegan.com, go watch the webinar, download the free book if you're into bodybuilding and fitness. It'll really help you out. There's some good stuff in there. I put a lot of time in the webinar, a lot of time in the book, so go check it out and do me a favor. So do me another favor, help my little channel grow by subscribing. If you like the video, click that thumbs up button. Stay happy, stay healthy, keep making those gains, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.